Hi guys, welcome back to VKQ, Interests and Adventures, and today we're doing a part 2 of Americans Trying American Snacks. All the snacks you see before you are ones that we have not tried before. We might have tried the brands, but we have not tried the particular flavors that we see before us. We got a lot of stuff here: sweet, salty, spicy, savory, sour. It's going to be fun. Quinn's behind camera. She's going to help us out. And let's get to it. Valerie, pick something.
Closest one to me.
First thing up is we got a Rice Krispies Treats Dunked, cookies and cream flavored.
Cool. Dunked means it's covered.
Quinn? I'm not tasting the cookies part of cookies and cream.
I am.
I got the cream for sure. And the little chocolate chips represent the cookie. And
Oh, tastes good.
it tastes really good. I like the texture with the little chippies in there.
Scale 1 to 10. I mean, not bad. I'm gonna give it like a 6.5. Maybe a 7.
7.
7.
Quinn, you want to pick something? Some sunflower seeds, okay. We are going to try sizzling bacon flavored sunflower seeds.
Sounds good.
Bacon and anything's good.
Don't mind me. I should have had an instrument closer. There we go. Alright. Just a few seeds. That tastes like bacon.
Wow.
Yeah, that tastes like bacon.
Good
A lot.
flavor.
I like it.
Scale 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this like a 9.
8.
I'm not gonna just sit here and eat a bunch of sunflower seeds and spit everywhere right now. So we'll call that good at the moment. Alright, I should try something hot. Yeah, spicy?
Check.
Alright. We'll start off with Blue Diamond Almonds Extremes Cayenne Pepper. You should be able to
Okay,
use cayenne
yeah.
pepper. Okay.
Does it too extreme?
Not too extreme, not like this one over here.
Yeah.
Alright. Cayenne pepper flavored almonds. They're really red. Alright.
I'm just gonna die somehow.
I'm just taking the one.
I'm not trying. Nope.
They're not bad. They got some heat to them on the tip of the tongue.
Oh yeah.
They're not. They're about on par with like the wasabi ones. I like them.
Oh yeah, that's got some heat to it. Whoa.
I'm gonna give these about an 8.5.
Oh, it tickles her nose. Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna see what that's.
Alright,
not-
you want to pick something?
But it's like tasty hot.
That is really good flavor.
I'm gonna say 8.
Okay.
8.5, 9, yeah.
It's not burning me. So that's a plus.
Did you want to pick a beverage?
Yeah, we'll go with the end there. I
Alright.
don't want to go the sour end.
I'm going to have Quinn
Yeah.
explain who this is because it's a Wrap Snacks Lemonade Strawberry Watermelon. I have no idea who this person is.
It's a rapper.
Yeah, what's his name? Owie? Ooey?
I don't know how to pronounce it.
Owie? I don't know who the hell this is or what song he sings.
Valid.
Gross. I don't like it whatsoever. That's a 3.
Hard work pays off. Little baby.
Drink it.
Owie.
I don't like it. It's 3.
Yeah, no carbonation. What the heck?
It's lemonade.
Strawberry watermelon.
Yeah, that's why I don't like it. I can't stand artificial watermelon. 3.
Yeah.
It's not good at all.
No. That is 3.
She cleans a 3 too, so Mom said it's not just me that's gross.
No, I like artificial watermelon.
And we like artificial watermelon. Watermelon.
All right,
That's
Quinn,
strange.
pick something. Ooh, we're going sweets.
For
We are doing some Chips Ahoy
Woo-hoo.
red velvet cake cookies. Oh, these are chewy ones? Hell yeah.
Dibs.
Chewy. Chewy.
Chew.
Alright. I think I prefer the actual chewy Chips Ahoy.
Me too.
Not bad though.
Cream filling.
Yeah, it's got a weird filling in the middle. 7?
7.
Not bad.
Not bad.
I like them.
I like the regular chocolate Chips Ahoy better.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Alright. Alright. I'm gonna get some chips going. We're gonna try Zapp's Cajun Dill Gator Taters. So we're gonna have pickle chips. I like other brands of pickle chips, so this should be interesting. Oh, that smells like pickle. Really crunchy. Like kettle chips. Oh yeah, those are good. You can go 8.5, 9. Those are good. I like those. What do you think?
Awesome.
What do you think, Quinn?
8.5.
8.5?
Right next to kettle. I think it might even have a little bit more of a punch.
What do you think flavor wise? What do you give it a scale?
9.
9? Alright, we're back to Quinn.
Oh, we are?
Yeah. What do you want to try next?
Oh yeah, cool. Banana.
We are going to try Yummy Yummy Gummy Candy Groovy Bananas. This can go either way. Artificial banana can be really good
Or very bad.
or really bad.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Oh, it smells like runts.
I love runts.
It's a soft, chewy.
And it's supposed to be sour. I think. There's
Alright.
Those are groovy.
Not bad.
10.
I don't know about that.
8.
I'm a little lower than that. I'm going to say 7.5. Not bad. I think the banana runts are better. Alright. Valerie, your turn.
Closest one.
Alright, we are going to try a maple flavored pork stick from Thrushwood Farms.
That sounds so weird.
Okay. I'm pretty good. Very light on the maple.
Yeah.
I like it.
I'm going to give this a solid 8. It's not bad. It's
8.5.
pretty good. 8.5, what are you thinking?
8.5 is not too overpowering with the maple. Just enough there.
More like a maple wood smoke flavor than
Yeah.
like a maple syrup flavor.
There we go.
That's pretty good.
I like that.
Yeah.
Quinn's gonna finish it?
Yep.
Okay. Alright. Let's get the elephant out of the room. This one I'm gonna be doing by myself.
Yeah, I'll try.
You're gonna try ghost pepper.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have fun. I'll
We're
get
gonna
the milk
do
for you.
some ghost pepper almonds by Blue Diamond. Now, if you thought those were hot, this is supposed to be about 2 times hotter.
Okay, just joking. Oh, you.
Okay. Because that was 1 flame. This is 3 flames.
Okay.
Carolina Reaper are the ones that are even hotter than this,
Mm-hmm.
but they didn't have any of those.
Those are 2 flames, actually.
There's 2 on that, and this is 3, so it's only supposed to be twice as hot, I guess.
Okay.
It just smells like almonds. You don't smell any heat on them. This could be a great practical joke. Alright. You can see pepper, like chili pepper on the almonds themselves. See?
Oh yeah.
That's like coated.
Yeah.
Alright. Really good flavor. I like that. They're going to kick in later. That's weird. The one that's supposed to be less hot is hotter than that one.
Let me see.
It's not as hot. I mean, it's close, but it's not as hot. One?
Good. Okay.
You want one? Flavor-wise, this is a 9. Like, the flavor is really good.
Yeah, the other one's hotter.
But the other one's hotter. I don't understand why they think this ghost pepper one is hotter than the cayenne. The cayenne was hotter.
Yeah.
Good flavor, though.
Good flavor.
9.
It lingers on the tongue though. The
Yeah.
better the other one did.
Yeah, but it's not that bad. Alright, I think we're up to Quinn again.
Or maybe if you ate a bunch of them too.
Alright,
Oh,
we're trying Warheads
No.
Sour Blue Raspberry Soda.
I'll go first.
Quinn wants to go first. I'll crack it for you.
What does it smell like?
I'm going to guess blue raspberry.
Yeah.
Does it smell sour?
It's very blue.
Does it smell sour? Can you smell sour?
That's not sour at all. At all.
Yeah.
A Sour Patch is sour than that.
I don't like blue raspberry.
Smells good.
I'll give it a 7.
Sour-wise, it's not that bad. The fact that it's blue raspberry, I'm not a fan of blue raspberry. It's just a 5 for me.
7.
Quinn's a 7.
It's good.
I mean, it's tart, but it's not sour.
Yeah, it's tart,
So what do
which
you
makes
think?
it drinkable.
What do you think?
I like it. We'll go 7. Yeah.
7? Okay. Valerie, what do you want to go with next?
Another
Alright.
dunker.
We're going to do another Rice Krispies treat. Chocolate. This has got to be great. I guarantee this is going to be good. How can you go wrong with a chocolate-covered Rice Krispies treat?
Yeah.
I bet you this is going to be at least an 8. There we go.
Oh wow.
That's heavily coated with chocolate, too.
Nice. Fun.
That's good. I like that. This is a 9. I think this is better than the cookies and cream, though.
Yeah.
Way better. I wonder if they're going to make a strawberry one. Artificial strawberry coating. My turn?
I think so.
Uh-huh. I need some caffeine. So we're going to try a Bang Swirly Pop. And it says you have to be over 18 to drink this.
Okay, I don't care. I identify as 18. I identify.
Identify.
That's weird.
Damn.
I thought they were gonna put a
Got some
legal
Oh,
age
that
underage.
smells
drinking on
funny.
the-
I'll get some underage.
That
I'm fucking
smells
drink.
really, really weird. Like, I haven't tasted it yet, but smell that.
I want to smell.
Oh, that is very funky.
Very funky.
I can't put my finger on what that flavor is. It doesn't taste like a swirly, like, lollipop. That's weird.
Like a papaya, mango,
Yeah, it's-
pineapple,
Yeah, it's weird.
papaya,
Take a
mango.
sip.
For inhaling it, not drinking.
Yeah, stop snorting my energy drink.
My dad.
Grapey.
I'm gonna give it like a 6.5. It's weird.
Tropical.
Tropical, is that what you think?
I like
But it tastes, it aftertaste tastes like grape.
I'm gonna give it like a 6,
Yeah.
6.5. I'm not a. I don't know. For
5.
the caffeine content, I'll
Oh yeah, it's
Pound
it's
it,
up
but-
there for sure. But it's got a lot of flavors going on, and smell wise too.
5. like
So
that.
it's definitely a loopy-doop on the power.
That's
All
why
right,
it's so swirly.
What are we doing?
The chip's closest to your hand.
Chips closest to my hand.
I can't read.
We are doing buffalo blue cheese curls.
I don't like blue cheese.
No.
I love blue cheese.
I'll pass.
Oh, yeah, they stink like blue cheese.
Stinkier the better.
Oh. You don't really taste the blue cheese as much as you do the buffalo. It's very light flavor for blue cheese, pretty heavy on the buffalo flavor. These are pretty good.
I'm gonna pass.
I'm gonna give those an 8. The blue cheese flavor is very mild, but the buffalo's like there.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like when you dip your buffalo wings in blue cheese, how you're supposed to go a little bit light unless you're just trying to kill the heat because
Yep.
you're a sissy.
Yeah, not bad.
Well, I would give them an 8.
Yeah. Got plenty of flavor
All right, Valerie.
and balance. Oh, yeah.
You can eat the whole bag in a minute.
Let's do the cookie here.
We are trying a milk bar.
Oh, boy.
Chocolate pretzel truffle crumb cake.
Bar cake / cookie looking thing. Oh, look how cute.
It's very skishy.
It is squishy. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Very generic.
I like it.
I'm gonna give
Texture's
it a
cool.
6.5.
5.
I'm going 10. It is awesome. It is a cake cookie freaking awesomeness. Sweet and salty. That's awesome.
Get the rest of spitting out of the way, unless something else here is just really gross. We are going to try the Taco Bell Taco Supreme flavored sunflower seeds. Oh, it's just a shell. There you go. Weird. Not horrible.
Sisek seasoning.
Yeah. Tastes like if you had taco seasoning
Yep.
for making tacos and
That's
just
it.
like coated a sunflower seed with it.
Which is good.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 7. Nothing impressive, but it's not horrible.
Mm-mm.
I was
7.5.
hoping for a little bit better than that, but
And it's new. Different.
no,
Not bad.
something new to try. All right, Gwen, we got Pringles, Tapatio, Corn Nuts,
Corn nuts.
Reese's,
Corn Nuts.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Corn Nuts. All right, we are going to try the new Mango Habanero Corn Nuts.
Why am I picking all the spicy ones?
Now, this will be a weird one for us because these two here aren't huge into spicy with the habanero. And then there's me, who doesn't really like artificial mango. So, this should be interesting. Alright. Corn nuts. Mango habanero. I'm not getting either flavor really out of this.
No.
They just taste like corn nuts to me.
I get a little heat.
I'm a little
Not really.
disappointed. They taste good, but they don't taste different from like regular corn nuts to me right now.
4.
Yeah, 4 sounds good.
Like regular corn nuts, just original corn nuts for me are like a 6 or a 7, so I'm gonna have to give these like a 5.
4 sounds good.
All right, Valerie,
There we go.
a Larabar peanut butter and jelly. It's like cherry jelly. It says it's plant-based and gluten-free. It's vegan.
Woohoo!
That doesn't look good. That doesn't look good at all.
Okay.
Smells good.
They don't look like that.
The texture sucks. Flavor's pretty good. Texture sucks.
I'm gonna pass.
Quinn's like, no way.
I feel like I'm eating shredded cardboard. But shredded cardboard that tastes good. Weird.
No, not bad.
Flavor wise, it's like a 7.5. Texture wise, it's like a 2.
It's definitely dense, but I like the texture and the flavor. I'm going to give this a 9 too.
Alright, my turn. Time for another beverage. We are going to try new original Bazooka bubblegum flavored ice cream. Soda. Use my church key.
Smart thinking. Hey,
This tastes like drinking Bazooka Joe bubblegum. It's actually pretty good. I'm gonna give that an 8. That's pretty good.
it's not too overpowering
yeah.
too. It's just
I'm
the
gonna do
right enough.
7.
7.
Just
All right,
enough.
Gwen.
7.
Pringles.
Pringles.
All right. Now, see, here we're gonna have to have Quinn let us know a little bit more about something because she's a Minecraft player in the family. Now, I'll play some Dragon Quest Builders, but I'm not a big Minecraft guy. So we got the Pringles limited time only Minecraft Suspicious Stew. Quinn, what is Suspicious Stew? What do you have to like put together to make Suspicious Stew in the game?
I don't know.
Is this donkey flavored? Like what's going on? Am I eating a llama?
Pretty sure suspicious stew is spoiled stew.
It smells funny.
Yeah, so why suspicious?
Like it smells real funny.
With your pop, just can't stop.
All right, Suspicious Stew Minecraft Pringle.
Yeah. Why does it smell like that?
Yeah, it smells weird.
Suspicious?
Flavors, whatever. I don't know what the hell it's supposed to taste like. But it's whatever. Quinn's over in the trash can spitting it out right now, so obviously she doesn't like it.
That's a negative. But I like it.
I don't know. It's just whatever. I'm going to give it a 5.
1.
Quinn gives it a 1. She hated it.
I don't
6.
like it.
All right, Valerie,
It
you're
has
up.
flavor. Let's do the
Last
sour
drink.
cream. Yep.
Tastes like
Okay.
spoiled SpaghettiOs.
All right. Warhead Sour Green Apple Soda.
Don't ask why I know that.
All right.
Cried back there.
Ooh, yummy.
Gimme.
It's a little tart, but it's yummy. I'm going to give that one an 8. 8.5.
It's a lot tartar than the blueberry. I like the blueberry
8.
more.
Blue raspberry?
Blue raspberry, man.
All right, my turn. I'm going to go with the last spicy thing here. The Tapatio chips, or Tapatio fries.
I'm gonna pass on these ones too.
Tapatio is one of my favorite
hot
hot
sauce.
sauces, so
Yeah.
well, tastes like the hot sauce. I'm going to give it a 9, 9.5. I like it.
Awesome. Ooh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it tastes just like the hot sauce,
Ooh.
but crunchy.
Yeah.
That's good.
Not bad.
9, 9.5. All right, Gwen.
Marshmallow.
Meeny, meeny.
This one? We are trying Cinnamon Toast Crunch flavored stuffed puff marshmallows. All right, Quinn. Mom.
Yeah. Mm.
Tastes like the pudding out of a cinnamon.
I taste cinnamon. For real.
I thought it would be stuffed.
It is.
It is.
Yeah.
I'm missing the stuff part.
Bite it again.
Ah,
I'll give it a 7.
I'm not a big fan of cinnamon this way. I'm gonna give it a 6.
10.
See, I like cinnamon where it's like spicy cinnamon, like Red Hots and stuff like that.
And
Fireballs.
the filling is awesome. It's totally creamy and
All right.
frosted almost. It's good.
So hopefully we saved the best for last because Reese's is the, yeah. So we got Reese's peanut butter flavored cupcakes. All right. That is good.
The fillings,
That is really good. That's the first 10 I'm giving today. That is delicious.
10.
Can we give it a 10 too? 10s across the board. So we obviously saved the best for last. Try these Reese's cupcakes. They're really good, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you've tried any of these snacks.
those are awesome.
All right, like, share, and subscribe.